Hello, welcome to the Harlingen Public Library. My name is Margaret. Today we're going to be doing tissue paper flowers. Very easy to do. So we're going to be needing scissors, pipe cleaners, and just regular colorful tissue paper. Right now I'm using 8.5 by 11 just to make these little cutie tissue papers that we have here. Very simple. I only got 4 sheets of tissue paper, 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to show you how to make this tissue paper flowers. Very simple. You're just going to, like an accordion type flower, accordion type paper, we're going to just do folds. One on the other side and then turn it and keep on going until the very end. And they look so cute once you're done with them. What can I use these flowers for? You can use them like for decoration, for Cinco de Mayo, Hispanic Heritage is coming up, quinceañera, baby shower, whatever. Okay, so once you're done, it's gonna go looking like this, like a little accordion. From there, fold it, measure to that side of each end. And this is where your pipe cleaner comes. Just cut one little half. You're gonna fold it in and then twist it because I want the light color to come out first, just like this. So you're gonna twist it. Okay, and now at the very ends, you can cut it with a V. Or like a little circle type. Okay, so from here, I'm going to open this one because I want this pink side to be my inside flower. Just open them up. Be gentle, don't pull it too hard because they will tear. I know you're anxious to see how it's going to look. Please, if you all have comments or likes, let us know on our video. Now on your other side. And I'm just spanning them apart. Almost done. And there you go. We have a tissue paper flower. Ready to go for your decorations. Hope you like this. Now we're going to be doing the bigger size flowers. So this one is much bigger. It does require more tissue paper. So I picked out these red and white polka dot with white inside and red in the background. Same way as you started doing the little ones, just folding them, making a little accordion, but this is gonna be a bigger accordion. So I already started on one half. Now I'm gonna finish the other half. And there's my big accordion. So from there, we're gonna split it in half, fold it, make a crease. I am gonna use a bigger pipe cleaner because it is much bigger. There. Twist your pipe cleaner so it will hold good. And then from there, because my cuts, they already have little cuts on this tissue, it came that way. I want my polka dots to come out first, just like this. So I'm gonna spread them open. think I put like 10 sheets on this one just to make it fluffier. Now the other half. Wow, there's a lot of tissue. Okay, now we fluff it up. Now we got a bigger tissue paper flower, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed this one.